Hello and welcome to another tutorial here today. Today I'll be going over how to install Nginx on Ubuntu 14.04. This will use some newer, it will be a little bit different than 12.04, so that's why I'm going to be creating a new tutorial on how to do so. So right now I'm just logging into my newly existed DigitalOcean server I just spun up for this tutorial, and I am going to get started with how to install Nginx on it. So first things first, you should already have a user set up on your server that's not the root user, and you should be logged in with that. And that user should have root access. I mean, not root access, but it should be able to use the sudo commands. And first we're going to go ahead and get started with installing Nginx. So we're going to want to do apt-get update. And first is to go ahead and update all pre-existing packages on the server, make sure everything is up to date, and any hotfixes that were released to create Ubuntu more stable. Nginx should be, the update should be finished here soon. Once it's finished, we're going to install Nginx. So we're going to do apt-get update, or apt-get install Nginx. Go ahead and press capital Y and wait for everything to load up. Now everything's loaded up, we should now check our web server to make sure everything is successfully set up. So in the email that you received from DigitalOcean, you have an IP address associated with your server. You should go ahead and create a new, or open a new tab up, paste that in, and go to it. And you should be presented with a screen that looks similar to this. You can see we have welcome to Nginx. Nginx has successfully been installed on the server and is working. Further configuration is required, so you can go ahead and set up all your existing applications that you already might have. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and manage the Nginx process. There are a couple different things you can do with Nginx to restart, stop, and start. So we can go ahead and do service, Nginx, stop. We can do service, Nginx, start. We can also do service, Nginx, restart. When you restart Nginx, you should be presented with the restarting Nginx, and OK. And that would be if you edited your blocks and everything else is all set up correctly. So now we're going to go ahead and make sure our server automatically starts with the restarting of the Ubuntu box. So we're going to go ahead and do sudo update-rc.d, and then we're going to do Nginx, and we're going to do defaults. We should be presented with a command that looks, or a reply that looks similar to this. All this means is everything is all successfully set up for Nginx, and if you restart your Ubuntu box right now, everything will work perfectly. Well, thank you for watching this this DigitalOcean tutorial, and I hope you had a great day. Future tutorials down the road will be how to set up Nginx blocks on your server. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.